If you're serious about becoming a goldsmith or bench jeweler, this program builds the level of skill the industry expects. Jewellery Methods is a 2-year diploma focused on developing strong technical abilities through hands-on training. You'll start with the fundamentals, measuring, sawing, filing, soldering, and finishing, then build into goldsmithing, gem setting, model making, and jewelry repairs. You'll work with copper, brass, silver, and gold, learning how to take a piece from raw materials to a finished product that meets professional standards. You'll also learn casting, technical drawing, computer modeling, and gain knowledge in gemmology and how the jewelry industry operates. All of this happens in a fully equipped studio using industry standard tools and equipment.
I always knew I wanted to pursue the craftsmanship of jewelry. I just never knew it was achievable until I found George Brown. You spend a lot of time in the studio building pieces from start to finish, and over time, your work starts to look and feel professional. What I like is how focused it is. You're learning the trade properly, and that gives you the confidence going into the industry.
This program is known for producing skilled, job-ready jewelers. Graduates leave with the technical ability, discipline, and attention to detail that employers look for when hiring bench jewelers and goldsmiths. If you want to be taken seriously in the industry, this is where you start.